Imagine a world where everything you need is at your fingertips. A world of opportunities, where we transform your challenges into reality, delivering the difference in a flash. Welcome to the Körber Ecosystem. Everything effortlessly in one place. Step into the future with IT solutions that revolutionize efficiency, where reduced risks mean reduced costs, where growth opportunities are identified, unlocked, where compliance meets precision. There's no room for error, where higher transparency means absolute trust. We integrate systems, from hardware to software, packaging to handling, to customer care, managing complexity so you can focus on what matters to you most. From strategic maintenance to expert consulting, we ensure your operations run like clockwork, achieving excellence at every turn. On a journey with end-to-end supply, unstoppable and seamless, from start to finish. With our extensive partner network, each link in your supply chain is strengthened, every process streamlined, and all through the lens of sustainability. Because efficiency and responsibility should go hand in hand. This is how we deliver the difference in pharma, with everything effortlessly in one place.